Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert MP4 video to MP3 audio. So let's have a look now. To convert MP4 to MP3, I'm using VLC Media Player. If you don't have this app downloaded, then you can open your web browser, search for VLC Media Player, click here and then download and install the app. So now let's open the VLC Media Player. Go to the top left corner and tap on Media. From the menu, tap on Convert Save. A window will appear. Now click on Add. Locate and select the video file you want to convert. Click on Open. Now select Convert Save. At the Profile section, click here and choose MP3 from the list. Now you have to choose the destination of your file. Click on Browse, then select the location and tap on Save. Now click on Start. Your MP4 video is now converted to MP3. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.